Welcome back to Motor Madness, your go-to destination for classic truck reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the iconic Bedford truck, specifically the SJI series produced between 1959 and 1965. This British workhorse carved its legacy in transport history and is still revered by collectors and vintage truck enthusiasts across the globe. Let's break down its exterior, interior, performance, and what it costs to own one today. Starting with the exterior, the 1959 to 1965 Bedford SJI truck was a rugged yet stylish machine for its time. The front end was marked by its bold, wide grille and rounded headlamps, sitting in deep metal housings that gave the truck a determined, functional appearance. The all-steel body construction gave it an edge in durability, and the distinct flatbed or tipper variants were highly customizable. It had a long, square body with prominent fenders and a practical, utilitarian stance. These trucks came in multiple wheelbase lengths and configurations, including short and long wheelbase options, making them suitable for various industries from agriculture to logistics. Inside, the interior of the Bedford SJI was simple and practical. Designed with the driver in mind, it featured a basic metal dashboard with large analog gauges that were easy to read, even while on the move. There wasn't much in the way of luxury, no air conditioning, plush materials, or soundproofing, but for the era, it was enough to get the job done. The three-person bench seat was upholstered in vinyl, and the large steering wheel made maneuvering easier without the power steering systems we take for granted today. Visibility was excellent thanks to the wide windshield and relatively thin A-pillars, a hallmark of mid-century truck design. Now let's talk performance. The Bedford SJI series came with a range of petrol and diesel engines over the years, with most trucks equipped with a 3.5-liter six-cylinder petrol engine or a 3.6-liter Perkins diesel. Power output wasn't earth-shattering, somewhere around 72 to 90 horsepower depending on the variant, but it delivered plenty of torque to handle heavy loads. It had a 4-speed manual gearbox, and though gear changes required a firm hand, it was reliable and rarely let drivers down. Top speeds hovered around 50 to 60 miles per hour, making it more suited for industrial work than highway cruising. 1965. Braking was handled by drum brakes all around, British engineering, and steering was heavy for a world that demanded reliability. As for pricing, whether you're a collector or just love vintage machines, was considered affordable. This truck still holds its own in terms of charm, fast forward to today, capability. The value of a well-maintained, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Motor Madness for more classic vehicle reviews. A non-restored barn find might go for as low as $3,000 to $5,000, but a fully restored, show-quality example can command upwards of $20,000 or more, especially in vintage truck collector circles. Restoration parts are still available, though some specific trims or badges might take some time and money to